All right, my name is John Moyes. I'm with Modular Robotics in Boulder, Colorado, and today we're showing MOS. It's a robot construction system. The idea here is we have small modules that link together. These are just steel balls that will snap onto our magnets that are molded into the corners. And with just one ball, we get a universal joint. And if I add a second one, we get a hinge. Obviously, if I put 3 or 4 on together, we get a rigid joint. So there's a lot of different kinematic constructions that we can make just with the structures themselves. We have different sensors and actuators. This one's a battery, provides all the power. This one's a flashlight, it'll light up nice and bright. We also have sensors, like this one is a distance sensor. We just start snapping them together, and we're building robots. So I'll go ahead and put a couple of them together here. Snap the balls on there. And now I just need to connect my input and output faces. So I have a distance sensor here. It's sending out an analog voltage over this output face, and I just need to pass it over here to the input face of my flashlight. I can do that with one of these connecting blocks here. Snap this in here. And now as my hand gets closer to the distance sensor, the light will light up nice and bright. So that's just one of the outputs. I can use some of our servo blocks or spin blocks. We also have a Bluetooth block you can snap on and use your Android or iOS device to be able to remote control your constructions or read the sensor data remotely. We have a lot of different options there. We've built up this car right here, which allows you to see a couple of different features of the product. We have maybe a steering rack here with a couple of hinges here built with the joints. So a lot of different ways that you can put these things together. A lot of fun, easy for kids to get started with robotics, start playing with some pretty complex systems.